If you're over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start affiliate marketing, then this video's for you. Because the truth is, it's not too late. In fact, right now, older beginners are absolutely crushing it. More and more of the new students that are joining the academy are in the 55 and over age group, and many of them are seeing their first commissions within weeks. No big audience, no tech knowledge, and no paid ads. Just smart systems and simple steps. So if you're looking for a way to bring in extra income without starting some stressful business from scratch, then stick with me. I'm going to break it all down in plain English and show you exactly how you can get started. And yes, I'll even show you the funnel that I give my students, step by step. It's also available in the free affiliate starter pack. You can download that from the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. So let's address something right up front. A lot of people over 50 assume that they're at a disadvantage in the online world. Like it's all fast talking influencers and techie 20-somethings with massive Instagram followings. But the truth is, if you're older, then you've actually got some serious advantages. You've got life experience, you know how to stick with something and follow through, you've built habits, you've got a strong work ethic, and you don't give up the moment something gets uncomfortable. That alone puts you ahead of a lot of other people. In fact, one of the biggest reasons older beginners are winning at affiliate marketing right now is because they can actually focus. You're not chasing every shiny new thing, you're not trying to start 5 different businesses all at once. You pick a path, you follow the steps, and you give it a real chance to work. That's the mindset that wins in this game. Plus, let's be honest, a lot of people in their 50s and 60s are thinking about retirement, or maybe they have already retired and they're looking for something meaningful to work on. Something that brings in extra income without turning their whole lives upside down. And affiliate marketing fits that perfectly. It's flexible, it's simple once you see how it works, and it rewards consistency more than anything. So no, you're not too late. You might actually be perfectly timed. Alright, let's break this down simply. Affiliate marketing means you get paid to recommend products or services that you believe in. That's it. Super simple. You don't need to create your own product, you don't need to store anything in your garage, and you definitely don't need to deal with any customer service or shipping. So here's how it works. First, you find a product or service that you genuinely think is useful. Then you sign up as an affiliate. This gives you a special tracking link. And then you share that link with others, maybe in a post, a blog, an email, or a short video. And when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. It's as simple as that. And the beauty is, many of the best affiliate programs don't just pay you once. They pay you recurring commissions every month that the customer stays subscribed. So let's say someone signs up for a $30 a month tool through your affiliate link. And the program pays 50% commission. That's $15 per month. If they stay subscribed for a year, that's $180 from one referral. Now imagine having 10, 20 or even 100 people, and just like that, it really starts to add up. And don't worry, you don't need to be techie, you don't need a fancy website or any complicated tools. In fact, I'm going to walk you through a ready-to-use system later in this video so you can see exactly how it works. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's something that anyone can learn. The reason affiliate marketing works so well as a retirement business is simple. It fits around you, your time, your energy, and your life. You're not tied to a schedule, there are no shifts, there's no alarms, there's no clocking in. You work when you want and, more importantly, how you want. Some people do a couple of hours in the morning before the day gets going, others chip away in the evening, and some work from their gardens and others work from an RV while travelling the country. It's that flexible. And here's the part that surprises most people. You don't need to do any hard selling or cold calling. You're not knocking doors or pestering friends and family to buy into some pyramid scheme. You're simply sharing tools, services, or communities that you genuinely believe are useful. And when someone signs up through your link, you earn money. Once you've set up your simple funnel, which I'll show you in a second, your system keeps working, even while you're relaxing, golfing, or traveling, or just enjoying your life. And no, you don't need to become some kind of influencer dancing on TikTok. You just need to be someone who shares helpful information in an honest and relatable way. That's what makes this such a powerful and sustainable way to earn money during your retirement. Now I want to show you something that most people never do in these videos, the actual setup. In the free starter pack, you'll get a link to a Canva template. This is a template I have built to function as the perfect funnel. Now, before I walk you through this funnel itself, I should explain that there are two ways to do this. The first is to host this on Canva, which is free, however it does include some extra steps. The second way does cost money, but really it's not expensive at all, and that's the way I'm going to show you because, in my opinion, it works the best. I'll just break this down quick in this video because I have another video coming soon. It will be much longer and it will show you the full setup step by step from start to finish. Okay, so for this you're going to use the information in your starter pack and the template on Canva. For this setup, we're going to be using the template as a guide on how to lay everything out. The actual funnel we will build on MailChimp. They do have a free version, but using the paid version just unlocks more features. Their paid plan starts at $13 a month, so it's not expensive at all. Again, this is just a quick look at the funnel. A full detailed step-by-step build is coming in a video soon, so make sure you stay subscribed. Okay, so let's start with the first page in the funnel. This is your opt-in page. Now, I'm going to be doing this from a computer, but it will work exactly the same if you're doing it from a phone or a tablet. This is where people land and say, yes, I want the freebie. You don't need to design anything from scratch. It's all done for you inside the starter pack. All you need to do is create a MailChimp account, select build landing page, and lay it out exactly like this, but with your own information and your own product or service. If you want help selecting a product, then check out some of my other videos on my channel, or if you want to shortcut the whole process, I have my own affiliate program. I will leave a link to that in the description below. You can join that for free and earn up to 50% commissions promoting my products. On this page, you want to have a headline, a subheading, an image or a video. I prefer to use a video as I feel it builds more trust, but an image will work just fine. You need your opt-in box where people will enter their details to get your freebie, and a few simple bullet points with the benefits of your product or service. When you build this funnel, try to keep it as close to the template as you can. Far too many people overcomplicate this. The funnel is already proven. It's clean, it's simple, and most importantly, it's high converting. Okay, so once someone signs up, they're taken to this page, the bridge page. This is where we warm them up with a short message, a quick story, and an optional upsell if you want to promote something right away. If you're using my setup, you can even plug in the masterclass from our affiliate program or your own affiliate offer right here. On this page, you want to include a short video about your product or service. Again, you can use an image, but a video will work much better. Below that, a link to your product with a simple call to action like learn more. And below that, some testimonials. And finally, the thank you page. This confirms everything and encourages people to go and check their inbox and also to check their junk because sometimes the emails end up there. From here, your email sequence kicks in and follows up for you automatically. No coding, no tech headaches. It's all just simple and high converting. If you haven't already grabbed the starter pack, it's linked below. You'll get access to this exact funnel. Just copy the template into MailChimp and away you go. Okay, so what does this actually look like once you get started? Well, week 1 is all about getting set up. You'll go through the starter pack, load up your funnel, which as you've seen takes no tech skills at all, and you'll start posting your first bits of content. That might be a few simple videos, a post in a Facebook group, or emailing a few friends who might be interested. Month 1, you might get your first commissions. You'll probably have grown a small email list by now. Even 20 or 30 people is a great start. You're learning and you're building momentum. And you've got a system working for you behind the scenes. By month 3, if you've stayed consistent, this can realistically turn into $500 to $1,000 a month or more. That's not a wild get-rich-quick promise. That's based on what I've seen again and again. As long as you stick with it and stay consistent. And the best part of it is, it builds on itself. The content and emails you're creating now keep earning you income month after month, even while you sleep. So if you've been sitting there wondering, is it too late for me to start something like this? Let me reassure you, no it's not. In fact, with everything happening in the world right now, this might actually be the best time in history to start. And what's great? You don't have to figure it all out on your own. I've already built the system for you. It's clean, it's simple, and it's designed to work even if you've never done anything like this before. Just download the free starter pack using the link below. You'll get access to the exact funnel I showed you, copy and paste emails, and everything you need to get started. There's a much longer video coming soon with the full detailed step-by-step setup, so you can just follow along with that video and do it all nice and easy. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss the full walkthrough coming up soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.